Okay, so this is going to be a redo video because for some reason every time I do a recording on this camera it doesn't register. So what I did was I adjusted the frame rate on this camera from 24 to 80 frames per second, and usually when we do 3D animations or any animation you really don't want to do it above 60 frames per second because then it gets a little jittery. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a drill. This is not really a fire alarm test as much as it is a camera test.
Is a drill. This is a drill. This is a drill. All occupants
So that's what
report to the nearest
changing the
stairway
frame rate
exit
does.
door and await
Changes
further orders. Do
everything.
not enter stairway.
Makes everything look much smoother, kind of a little jittery.
This is a drill. This is a drill. This is a drill. All occupants report to the nearest stairway exit door
yeah.
and await further orders. Do not
I might try to render my
stairway.
next movie in 60 frames per second rather than 80, because since it's a smooth one, I see 60 frames does. So yeah, that's the camera test.